3, 2, 1.
Day 2, spring Carlisle, one of my favorite swap meets. Day 1, perfect weather. Day 2, everyone knew it was gonna rain. So I even got up earlier, tried to get a head start, even though a lot of vendors aren't open, which is my least favorite, because it's really hard to check out all the spaces in 2 days. And when the vendors aren't open, it's really hard to talk myself into going back down aisles later. I picked up a driver's fender. Trust me, it's rough. And it's not even the right one. I'm pretty sure it's a 54, 55. They have a little notch out below the headlight for the grill. Also, it's curved up in there. But again, I could modify all that for $30 fender. I'll work on it a little bit. Again, this is not gonna be a high-end suburban project. This is gonna be for my family, and we're gonna road trip it and drive it to death. I did go back and pick up the inner fender from the other guy, and I paid $35 for that one. And I picked up a hood. Me and this guy haggled a lot, back and forth, because his hood was already split in two, which I get, whatever, that's no big deal, but it was missing the little cross piece that holds the back cross member together, and it's missing the front cross member, which is the one I'm more stressed on. So anyone that has either of those parts that wants to help me out, I need some dirt cheap ones. I'd really like to not build that because that holds your hood latch, and I have a feeling it's probably really hard to make. He threw in some hinges that are okay. If anyone knows about those, you know, the 5-window trucks, the 47 to 54s, they have 2 hinges on each side. Well, the one hinge has a spring in it, and I do not have that one. So either I would like to find that one, or if anyone knows if you can run it without that spring and just run a rod, hold your hood up with a rod. I'm very curious because I don't know if that serves any other purpose for getting your hood to shut properly, or if that's only a spring to hold your hood up. Very curious. I don't know a lot about these. Day 2 was a success. Started raining around noon, which scared a lot of people off. You know, I drive down there. I'm gonna walk in the rain. I don't really care. Hope you guys like the spring Carlisle.